today I'm going to be showing you how to undress and redress your Support Pro. Flip Support upside down, locate the zipper, unzip the cover, take it off. If you're refilling your Yogibo Support Pro, what you're going to do is locate your inner zipper. The inner zipper is made so it doesn't unzip and let beads all over your house. To unlock the lock zipper, all you need to do is find a zip tie, paper clip, or even the bread tie that goes around your bread bags. Then you grab your cover and flip it inside out. As you may notice, there's a support netting here. This would go over the peak of the Support Pro when you're dressing it. So legs facing you, making sure that this is forward. Put one leg on. Arm through the other leg. Grab and pull over. Once we get to this point, we're going to turn it around, grab the support netting, grab the zipper, and pull it over the peak, just like so. Then, flipping it upside down, you're going to take and push the bead down each leg. After this, you're going to take it, grab each side of the zipper, shake away from you. Finally, what you're going to do is just zip up your Support Pro. Any excess, just pull down. And that is how you build your Support Pro.